In an astonishing turn of events, Lost Subscribed is about to hit episode 100. 100 episodes. Now, people said there wasn't enough to talk about to have a long-running podcast about the subscription model for legal services. Well, there's at least 100 episodes worth to talk about. And at the time of recording, yesterday was the 3-year anniversary from when I published the first trailer for Lost Subscribed. Even though I had been recording interviews for like almost a year at that time. So really, this has been an amazing passion project. I've gotten to meet incredible attorneys and thought leaders across industries and from around the world. It's also great, in particular as an entrepreneur, to have something that you've been doing consistently nonstop for a long time. For me, I have not missed a week since January 17th, 2023. Now, technically, I've already published 26 special episodes on top of the 90 that are published at the time of recording. But who's counting anyway for like which one actually counts for episode 100? I'm the host and producer. I get to pick. But what I'm going to do for episode 100 is really, it's up to the listeners. It's up to you. So right now on LinkedIn, I have a poll going that has 4 options. The first one is a live stream. Probably on LinkedIn Live, though I'm starting to publish videos to YouTube, so I may also do a special YouTube live stream as well. I could bring on previous guests, maybe to a live stream, or maybe even just for some special quick interviews that I could then publish for episode 100. I could also just do a highlights or a recap episode where I get some of my favorite episodes and some things that those guests said. And finally, what's great about LinkedIn is the last choice is something else, and that's for you to let me know in the comments what you think I should do. So link to that poll in the show notes, and if you're subscribed on Substack, you're going to get the link in that newsletter email. If you're learning about this poll for the first time when you're hearing this episode on the day that it goes live, there's only 6 days left to answer that poll. So if you want to influence episode 100, please go and vote. If you're not a Substack user and you want to start watching the videos for Lost Subscribed, well, good news for you, because also as we count down to episode 100, I've started to release daily videos starting with episode 52 of my podcast on YouTube. So each day will be a replay of an old episode of the video version if you prefer to use YouTube and have never seen the videos before. Also, for those of you who prefer Spotify, I've actually been stealthily releasing videos on Spotify via the podcast player as well, so you could also start to check out videos there. All that being said, still highly encourage that you subscribe to Substack, because that's where I could let you know about everything far beyond just what I could release in a podcast episode. But with that, only a few more episodes to go until episode 100. As always, this has been Matthew Kurbis with Law Subscribed.